Yo dudes! Okay, massive surprise for you! We've been working on this for over 2 years and we're about to reveal... Oh! It's a new book! So this is our new book, this is our 4th book, this is our best book yet by a mile. It's a distillation of 15 years as vegan chefs.
Yeah, it really is. We've taken the foundation approach. It really teaches you the principles that underlie. As Stephen says, it's like learning the grammar for a language. It gives you the tools with which to go any place with your cooking.
We've gone for a non-personal cover, beautiful spine, lovely back. There's over 250 recipes and it's a framework approach. So it teaches you how a chef approaches food and teaches you how to cook without recipes.
Book comes out July the 9th. We'd love you to pre-order it now. The more pre-orders that get in, the bigger the book, the bigger the launch the book gets. So we'd really love your help with
help to support this if you can. The link down below. If you pre-order, it really helps support us.
We're also going to give a competition to win away one free copy that's signed as soon as it comes out. So comment down below why you should win it, where you're from, and we will pick a winner.
Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy our book.
Cheers!